Here's 5 reasons why solar isn't worth it. Going solar is probably not worth it if any of these apply to you. Number 1, you are not the homeowner. If you're not the homeowner, you can't authorize it and you don't benefit from it. Number 2, you're moving in 1 to 3 years. If you're moving in less than 3 years, that's just not enough time to really get the benefits from it. 3, your home or yard are not a good fit. Too much shade or the wrong roof type or other factors can make solar a bad fit. Number 4, bad local utility programs. You can have the perfect house and the most ideal setup, but if the local utility company doesn't offer good benefit programs and credits, going solar is just not going to be worth it. Number 5, your home is on a temporary foundation. For solar, you really do need good structural integrity to mount that solar on your roof. So protect yourself from bad actors. Know if solar is a good fit, or if you have questions or want a second opinion, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team.